The GLOU-GLOU GOOSE universal vented lid is a helpful addition to any kitchen. It fits pots, pans, and skillets that are 11.5, 12, or 12.5 inches. The tempered glass lets you see your food cooking. Also, the heat-resistant silicone rim helps it stay in place and prevents scratching. This lid can be your cooking companion, like a trusty sidekick. This GLOU-GLOU GOOSE universal vented lid has a vent. The vent lets steam escape while you cook. This stops your food from getting soggy. It can also work as a microwave splatter cover. That means less mess when you heat things up. Cleaning is easy because it's dishwasher safe. This lid is a simple solution for many cooking needs, and it makes life a little easier. Overall, the GLOU-GLOU GOOSE universal vented lid is quite useful. It's like having one lid that can do the job of many. It helps keep your stovetop and microwave cleaner. Plus, you can easily check on your eggs or other dishes without lifting the lid. This lid aims to simplify cooking, and it does a pretty good job. It's a practical tool for anyone who cooks. Pros: vented, tempered glass, universal lid, heat-resistant rim, silicone rim, microwave safe. Splatter lid, dishwasher safe, fits 11.5, fits 12, fits 12.5, easy visibility, steam vent. Easy to clean, round handle. Cons: steam vent may release too much steam, silicone rim might absorb odors, handle can take up dishwasher space, handle assembly can be tricky. Plastic screw-on handle may be weak. Some reports of glass shattering, not made in the USA. Universal fit may not seal well. Poor naming, sizing by vendor. Potential Prop 65 warning features. GLOU-GLOU GOOSE brand, vented design, tempered glass, universal lid, for pots, pans, skillets, silicone rim, heat resistant, microwave splatter lid, microwave safe. This GLOU-GLOU GOOSE brand lid is made of strong tempered glass with a silicone edge that can handle heat. It's a universal lid, which means it can fit on different sizes of pots, pans, and skillets, specifically 11.5, 12 inches, and 12.5. It has a vent to let steam out and can also be used as a splatter cover in the microwave. Plus, it's safe to put in the microwave and dishwasher, and it comes in a gray color. This GLOU-GLOU GOOSE GGG universal lid is made of tempered glass with a heat-resistant silicone rim, and fits 11.5, 12, and 12.5-inch pots, pans, and skillets. It can be used as a splatter cover in the microwave and is dishwasher safe for easy cleaning. The lid has a steam vent for safety and easy visibility while cooking. However, some users have noted that the steam vent might release too much steam. The silicone rim could absorb odors. The handle might take up dishwasher space and can be tricky to assemble with a potentially weak plastic screw. And there have been some reports of glass shattering. Additionally, it is not made in the USA. The universal fit might not always seal well, and there is a potential Prop 65 warning.